It is a Dragon Garage kit, using 3D digitization to help clients replicate models. Traditional methods greatly test the level of craftsmanship. If the initial model reproduction is not ideal, will directly affect the final product, time-consuming and laborious. The use of Thunk3D scanner can accurately obtain the three-dimensional dimensions of handicrafts, provide reliable data and information for future application expansion. Real-time 3D reconstruction using Thunk3D scanner, quickly complete scanning, an accuracy of 0.04 mm, can fully restore the true appearance of the model. Handmade mold flipping and caulking using Thunk Handheld 3D scanner. Scan these handmade models. Let's enjoy the scanned 3D data together.